friends and family, welcome back to my channel, and it's another time with BEL. Okay, so how are you doing? I know you are doing awesome, right? As I always say, we are pulling through. Okay, yes, so stay calm. Okay, so guys, so in this video we'll be making we will be reviewing hair. Okay, yeah, so okay, so I want to say thank you to everybody, new and old subscribers, viewers from everywhere in the world. Thank you. I really appreciate you for your massive support for this channel. Okay, this channel will not be without you, so thank you, and I really appreciate you. So continue supporting for more reviews and stuff. Okay, so if you are new here, welcome as well. If you haven't subscribed, please pause the video, click on the subscription button, notification bell, so that you can get more updates. Alright guys, let's dive into the video. So it's a hair from Amazon, and let's unbox it. Okay, I'm always and try. Is that a word? Yeah. I mean, I'm always so excited about the packages. Okay, the packages alone turns me on. So this is what we have here. So this is Beyond Beauty. Okay. Wow, I am loving it already. So this is Beyond Beauty Long Body Wave. Okay. That's the name of the hair. Let's unbox it. Okay, so that's a headband, and it has a wig cap. Yep. And this is the main hair. Okay, that's the main hair. Okay guys, so this hair is from Beyond Beauty store on Amazon. Okay, Beyond Beauty store on Amazon, and so this is body wavy 24-inch. Yeah, so I got it for $24.50. Yes, that's how I got this hair on Amazon. Okay, so guys, you can check their shop out and make a purchase, because I am loving it already. Just the pins and everything make it so firm and tight, and it doesn't fall. Okay, so on a normal day I will not be wearing the cap, because as you can see, it's really thick. So I don't think you need a cap. Okay, so you can just wear it without the cap and you'll be good. So guys, this is the hair. Oh my, I love the hair. Oh, I really love the hair. I love it. So wavy. Oh, the bouncing. Trust me, I love it, guys. I love it. I don't know if you can see the whole length. It's 24-inch. 24 inches. Can you see that? Oh, it's so bouncy and wavy. This is rich anti vibes. Tight. It's so beautiful and affordable, right? It's beautiful, affordable, and so wavy. I mean, tell it. Look at the texture. You can wear just this way, or you can put on a hairband. Okay, so I'm gonna put the headband on. I will go get some and rock it, so you can just rock with the headband. So guys, so this is with the headband. So with the headband you can use any color. Okay, it's not necessarily to use the one that the hair came with. You can use any kind of headband for it, guys, and you will love it like how I am loving it. Okay, you will love it. is so beautiful. I really love the hair. No shading, nothing. This hair is so affordable. Right, so this hair is affordable, okay? It's how it's affordable, really cute and nice. So you want to get some for all occasions, okay? So I recommend this hair for you. So I'm going to leave the link to the shop below so that you can check it out and get pictures, okay? Yep. Okay guys, so I'm blushing, rich and divine. Okay guys, so if you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, okay? And if you haven't subscribed, oh boy, pause the video and click on the notification bell and the subscription button so that you can get more updates from time with BEL. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos from Time with BEL, and I'll see you next time. Bye.